What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another special video, the Sunday stock watch list, where I give you all the stocks that I like, all the stocks that I dislike, what's going on in the economic calendar, and then what's going on in the earnings season. Obviously, you guys have seen a lot of big names have reported. Before we go ahead and get started with the video, make sure you hit that like button. I'll wait for you to do that. Subscribe, comment down below what other videos you'd like to see on this channel. What other stocks are you looking at this week? Let's see if we have the same thing, or if it's something that I like, I'll add it to my next watch list, which I've done previously. So before we go ahead, also, I did upload a big video on the Nord Trades channel, so make sure you go watch that right after. And let's get ahead and get started with this video. 9 a.m. Eastern time, I will be on Instagram Live doing a pre-market review. Something that I'll do at least once a week, where I come on and show you guys what I'm watching in the morning, literally show you my screens. And then basically after, I'm going to hop in the Discord and give them my pre-market review that I just gave you guys, write down the trade ideas, the contracts I'm looking at, and obviously the live signal. So here we are, Monday, there's nothing much going on. Tuesday, you have an employment cost index. Other than that, Chicago PMI, consumer confidence at 10 a.m. Eastern time. Wednesday, you have ADP employment report. ISM manufacturing index, construction spending, JOLTS, and wow, FOMC announcement at 2 p.m. Eastern time. So it's going to be an interesting week. Fed chair press conference at 2:30. So that's basically after the news comes out, then in 30 minutes they'll come out and speak to the public. Thursday, jobless claims, productivity costs and cause, factory orders, and then Fed balance sheet at 4:30. Friday, few people speak. It looks like Michael Barr, not really interested, but we have employment situation, PMI composite final, ISM service index. So I'm going to be done before 10 a.m. Eastern time on Friday. Anyways, then this is the earnings for this week. So we have a few important ones. McDonald's is definitely up there. That stock likes to move. A lot of people like to watch that. Tuesday, Pfizer, CAT, AMD, what else? JetBlue, Amgen, BP. So we have a few of them here Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday, CVS, Roku, PayPal. Nothing else. I mean, Airbnb will be a big one. A lot of people watch that for the housing market. Thursday, Apple, Palantir, Shopify. That'll be cool to see. Starbucks, Coinbase. What else? That's about it. Friday, don't actually care about any of those things. So, all right, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm watching for a quick scalp starting the week, maybe not Monday, maybe not Tuesday, but whenever it does come through, I am watching this 299-300 level. Obviously, this stock did have earnings. It did drop. It did recover pretty nicely. As you can see, this closed at 299. So we're not far from where this actually reported, right? This reported at 299. The low was 279, and this has recovered pretty nicely since then. So I am watching 299-300, see if we can get momentum up into that area. If that breaks, I'll be looking for a $2-3 move. Obviously, there's room to the top of this trend at 311. I don't really like Meta that much, but that's something that I'm looking for a quick scalp this week. The next thing I'm watching is Netflix. I almost finished the day on Friday red because of this stock. I hate the way this stock moves, especially on Thursday and Fridays, and the contracts are insane. So, what am I watching on this stock? If I put this on the 4-hour, actually, we don't need to go that far. We'll go to the 1 hour. So on this stock, I would be watching 395 if this was a good stock to watch, but I'm watching 392 to the downside. After 392, I'm watching 390, and then you have this crazy gap on the 1 year. As you guys can see, this really starts at 392, right? I have room down to 390, and obviously the remainder of this gap would be 355. We'll see how that comes about. Obviously, that's not a one-day thing. It'll be over a course or a period of time, but gaps do get filled, and you guys know that if you guys like to play gaps. This is something you would know. What I'm watching on Netflix is 392 into 390, and then 387.50. Now, I would play 395, but after Friday, I was up $8,000 on NVIDIA. I was $6,000 on NVIDIA. Lost $8,000 on Netflix. I was down $2,000. And then shout out to Maki. Came out with a SPY play signal to the chat. Chat called over 70, 80%. I called 50%. And finished the day around $22,000, $23,000. So that's the only reason I finished green on Friday. So that's Netflix that I'm watching. NVIDIA, on the other hand, this stock, this stock, man. So I'm watching 400 to the downside, and then I have 399, well 398.80, but 399, and then after that we have the downtrend here that leads into 395. So that's the room. Obviously, it'll be deeper into Monday, and then Tuesday it'll probably be below 395 on Monday, and obviously as the week goes on, the downtrend will continuously take the number lower. It'll probably be at like 392 on Tuesday. We'll see. But yeah, that's what I'm watching on NVIDIA to the downside. Just because I'm looking at the downside or upside on these stocks doesn't mean I'm bullish or bearish. You got to understand that. It's just the plays that I'm watching on these specific stocks. And if I like them, that's what I'm taking. Tesla, stock is struggling badly. So I'm watching 202 to the downside, 202.50, room down to 200, and then I have room down to 197. I would say I think this will happen. This is a range where Tesla has been stuck in between 220 and this 205 area. It's just been in between, and it's been flirting, but it might be ready. Take a look at Tesla. It was up about 0.75%. Let's see where SPY was at. SPY finished red, so we'll see. Tesla held up. We'll see. Where's NQ? What did that finish at on Friday? Relax. That was loud. Yeah, that's something. When it comes, it comes. I'll update you guys. Just make sure you're here for the pre-market reviews whenever I'm doing them. If I'm going to do them, they're at 9 a.m. Eastern time. Maybe I'm a little late, 9:05. And I'll try to announce it whenever I do it. So, yeah, I'm watching Tesla. As of right now, this is a possible play for me. I'm not a fan of Amazon. A lot of people are playing or looking at Amazon this week. I'm not, personally. Absolutely not. Yeah, I'll pass on Amazon. I think that'll be my watch list for you guys as of Sunday. Obviously, my watch list changes throughout the week. It's called adapting, right? As a trader, you need to adapt throughout the week. I just give you kind of the brief summary of what I'm looking at for the rest of the week, and this is what I'm looking at. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.